I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the winners and participants of the events. Thank you, dear parents, for their unwavering support and empower our students to dream big and soar high. Let's celebrate this evening with joy and pride. Hummingbird Education Limited is in the field of Olympiads. It conducts a range of international level Olympiad exams aimed at enhancing students' academic and cognitive abilities. With over 15 years of promoting academic excellence and holistic development, it provided innovative and high quality Olympiads to millions of students from more than 3,000 schools across 11 countries. Our school association with Hummingbird Education Limited has been instrumental in providing students with enriching their knowledge towards English language. Now I request our principal and correspondent of early expression, Mrs. Shailaja Ranjan, to share her words and thoughts about the event.
It's a great pleasure and honor to welcome the felicitation ceremony of SPELB students. And of course, we have also conducted a competition today, that is the Phonic B and SPELB competition for among our current year batch students, and the felicitation ceremony is for that also. And today is a day we mark in the history of EE SPELB program. For such an occasion, we need the best guest of honor, right? So I choose not a person from outside who doesn't know what is SPELB program to come and talk over here. I want someone who really knows, who have really come across this journey and who have really experienced this journey about what is SPELB, what will they learn, how is it going to help them in the future. So I think the most deserving guest of honor today is my old alumni students. So I really stand proud in front of you all because this has been more than a decade. I have conducted this SPELB program. So I call upon, just to say a hi only, I'm not going to call for any speech. So I call upon my students starting from the first batch, Alfred, Valanraj and Pragati, 2013 I guess, and 2014 batch, Vikasini and Rupula. Yes please. And 2015, Nritisha. So we have the Hummingbirds merit with medal. For the first place, gold medal goes to class 2 of class 2. It is Arohi Anand Kumar. I think it's a nice day, nice weather. Thank you, dear. Class 4, Srivatsan. Can we have class 4, Srivatsan? And next is silver medal. For class 2, it is Sai Aditi. Sai Aditi of class 2 is the silver medal. Thank you, dear. And class 4, Harini VR and Danish. Harini VR and Danish for receiving the silver medal. And now for the bronze medal, I request Manju of class 2. Manju of class 2. And Siddharth Abhimanyu of class 2. Sudiksha of class 3. And now it's time for merit certificates. So I request Dashita S and Heath DJ of class 1 to come and receive the merit certificate. And class 2, I would like to call upon Pragya K. Let's come in. Nakshitra. action for class 2. And for class 3, and holders Sai Sharan, Pragya Ji, and Hisham. And for class 4, it's Maharudresh and Sai Nivita. And for class 5, it is Vaidegi and Shriya. Class 6, it is Varmika, Nandini, and Rihana. And for class 8, it is Aditesh Gupta. And for the certificate of participation, Jainesh, we have Jainesh, Sai Pranav, Rudraj, and Reyansh. And there is one more category I have introduced this year for felicitating our students, because every year there is one reason why sometimes some children are denied of the medal. It is because of the number of students participating in a class should be about 5. Minimum students must be 5, so that the competing students will get the medal according to it. And sometimes maybe the number of students participating in particular class will be less, because of which they are not issued the medals. So in that category, I wanted to take an effort to really felicitate them, and for which this year for class 3, since the number of participants is less, we don't have a category of gold or silver or bronze medal. And of course, for class 8, we don't again have the medals. So that's the reason we have introduced this category, the high, and of course, and the score who have, they have scored about 150. So in that highest score category, I would like to call upon Heshant S. and Aditesh Gupta. There is no more claps. Thank you so much. And yes, I really want them to share a few words about their journey in Selby. Yes, can we start with Pragati? Like as much as they do need more appreciation from you.
And it's a great honor to be here today as a first batch student and now currently college fresher. I don't really remember my journey fully. Lots of students here. And to be honest, I don't remember many things, but I attended all the classes just for having fun, because she used to be concentrate both on teaching and as well as games. I attended all the classes just for playing games, and these 12 classes helped me to improve my English and my spelling and grammatical errors. And in studies, and in my studies, English has played a key role. It helped me to communicate effectively and also helped me to express my feelings clearly. And as well completed the competition today, it's not about winning or losing, and it's about participating, learning and growing all the way. Try to participate in more competitions and embrace the learning. And because these skills you learn in these competitions might help you in many places during colleges, schools and everywhere. And best of luck to all the participants. And thank you for allowing me to be a part of this show today. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Alfred from the first batch, one of the first batch students here, and it's been a quiet ride. Looking back, cover like all my classes, just like Bharati said. Mostly games and like little bit of studying. Of course, we attended all the exams and stuff, but mainly it was just games. And I really should say that all those games made me improve my English, and from my like personal experience, like in my college or in my classes, English has played a key role. So these competitions really helped me to like, improve my English. So here's to and keep continuing this journey, and good luck to everyone. Thank you.
Today, we have a much anticipated spelling bee and phonics bee competition among our students. We witness the true power of words, magic of language, and brilliance of young minds. It's time to make this event an unforgettable one by felicitating all the winners and participants of the day. Once again, I'm wishing all our winners and participants best wishes. Now I call upon Vikasini and Ritula, the alumni of the spelling bee of our school. So we call upon them to the stage. A big round of applause.
Hi everyone, I'm Vikasini. Harija ma'am was my first teacher and she has supported me and encouraged me a lot. When I was in kindergarten, she gave me the opportunity to give a welcome speech in my graduation, and I guess that my fascination with English started there. I have loved every single second of the 6 years that she taught me, and I still wish that I could study a bit more with her. Her classes helped me participate in a lot of competitions. Like I could participate in an elocution competition in my NCC in front of my college seniors, and though I didn't win a prize, I still participated, and that was what counted. And uh, one of my strictest teacher told me that I did really well on a question, and she awarded me only me full marks, and I was really proud when she told that in front of the class. Like that, ma'am has given me a lot of opportunities, and I even anchored a lot of annual days here. And this has actually helped me improve a lot in my English. And I hope ma'am has helped everyone here too. She has probably a lot. Uh, that's it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm me currently in 10th grade. So I would like to thank Sailaja ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity. The sweet memories in these early expressions are just bliss. So having a ma'am like this would be so amazing. Like the bond between us is one main thing that matters. Although we come for spell bee classes here, the most was for ma'am and the bond between us. She used to take us outing and then make lot of fun games, make us compare in the stages for annual days, fancy dress competitions, and even let us dance in those shows. So to enhance my communication skills and experience on stage, this early expression and map helped me a lot. And now, as I'm in 10th grade, of course, studies matters. In English, I'm getting above 95%. Without help of ma'am, I could not have achieved all these things. My teachers appreciate me for who I am in English, the creativity in the presentation, and the framing of the sentences, paragraphs, which she gave us clues what to do and what not to do. The reported speech I still remember, ma'am. And then I really thank you once again for inviting me here. Learning is a process and we need to enjoy it. Thank you, everyone.
So, grade one, the first place goes to Nitishwar and Sai Shivanya. So, I want Vikasini to take the stage and felicitate the students. So, the first place goes to Nitishwar, Sai Shivanya. So, please give a big round of applause to your friends, kids. They are going to receive a certificate, a trophy, along with 1,000 rupees of cash prize. Please give them a big round of applause. Spelling bee competition, grade 1, first place, again goes to Sai Shivanya. Spelling bee competition grade 1. Second place goes to DJ Heath. Spelling bee competition grade 1. Third place goes to Darshita. Yes. Spelling bee competition winners from grade 2. First place goes to Aravi Anand Kumar. She also received a certificate, trophy and cash award of ₹1,000. Please give her a big round of applause. Because she is going to carry with me. Spelling bee competition grade 2. Second place goes to Pragya Ji. Spelling bee competition grade 2. Third prize will be shared by Siddharth Abhimanyu and Rayansh T. Rayansh T. It's time to honor all the participants of the event. So Pragya K. We have to call upon Pragya K. Followed by Harshavardhini, Manju, Sai Aditi. So I would like to call Mritala to join and honor the kids. Pragya K. Harshavardhini. Manju. Sai Aditi. Lakshatra. Hesha. Rudrash and Rakshan. So please give them a big round of applause. They have equally good effort for this competition. It's been a long effort. And one coming, the kids have spent time to learn this. Please give them a big round of applause. So now I would like to call upon Latisha to join Mritala to give away the winners' certificates and their trophies. So now it's time to competition that happened today. So the first prize will be shared by Ritu Rakshan and Tapaswin. First prize goes to Ritu Rakshan and Tapaswin. So they are going to receive a trophy, certificate along with a cash award of ₹1,000. Tapaswin. Second place goes to Prithvik and Abhinav. Third prize goes to Kugal Ananya. So please give them a big round of applause. Kugal and Ananya. So the participation certificate for the 4DP competition will be given to Advika. Advika, followed by Sharwan, Subiksha, Ridanya, Vibhulan, Jasit Paul, and Sardar Rakshika. Ridanya. Vibhulan. Jasit Paul. So thank you, girls. So now I would like to call upon Mrityusha to share a few words.
Good evening, everyone. Disha, let me start with how I involved myself into this beautiful world of Spinity. Is that I had a lot of interest in attending classes, and along with Shailaja ma'am, it was so fun. Who gave me confidence to speak on the stage, and by providing lots of love and support, by helping me in also achieving first place in. Hummingbird Olympiads, and I still remember stuff that I learned from her. And I also remember the post-COVID classes. Like I wanted to catch up with her, and as my sister said, she was the only teacher who guided me in my preschooling. She also gave us many activities to do in the classes, and when me and my friend were asked to do a drama using collective nouns, and we were rewarded with cups and cash prizes too. Now I don't have any stage frightness. You guys all are so lucky to have a happy journey with them. Thank you.
So thank you, Mrityusha. So it's time to honor and felicitate the special felicitators of the day. I would like to call upon Pragati and Alphon to the stage. So Mrityusha, Vikasini and Mritula, be on the stage. Now I call upon our principal, Ma'am Shailaja Ranjan, to honor them with pride.